Here at Beth Chattos, right plant, right place is at the heart of everything we do. It's inspired by Beth's belief that gardeners should be working with nature rather than against it. It's an approach which recognises understanding a site's natural conditions is key to creating healthy, beautiful and sustainable gardens. The gardens themselves provide a living demonstration of this principle, built on land which is free-draining gravel, dry woodland and damp areas. Plants have been chosen specifically for their conditions where they will thrive. We don't rely on excess watering, soil modification or chemical intervention. The emphasis is on choosing plants which are naturally adapted to their environment. Beth famously encouraged gardeners to consider things like soil type, moisture levels, sunlight and exposure before choosing which plants you are going to plant in your garden. Those plants will establish more successfully, they require less maintenance and be more resilient to pests and disease. As gardeners, we benefit too. It reduces time, effort and expense. And of course, there's a great benefit to the wider environment. Our gravel garden is perhaps the best example of this philosophy in action. It's created in one of the driest pockets in Britain, but it just goes to show you can have striking and diverse planting when you're choosing the right plants for the right conditions. In a world of increasing challenges, climate change, competition for natural resources, Beth's inspiring model of right plant, right place, teaching us to work in harmony with environment, with nature and between ourselves, it remains as relevant today as ever.